Means that prices of goods and services in the region continued to increase but at a slower rate compared to the previous month. This percent national inflation rate in June 2026. In comparison, Eastern Visayas registered a much lower inflation rate of 0.7% in June 2025. The inflation rate of Eastern Visayas was the seventh highest among the regions and was at par with Northern Mindanao. The average inflation rate from January to June 2026 was registered at 5.7%. The downtrend in the regional inflation rate in June 2026 was primarily brought about by the slower inflation rate in the heavily weighted food and non-alcoholic beverages at 6.7% during the month from 8.5% in May 2026. This shared 67.0% to the decrease of the overall inflation rate in Eastern Visayas. The downtrend in food and non-alcoholic beverages in June 2026 was driven by the annual price decrease registered at 17.4% in June 2026 from 21.5% in May